Hey, it's Rue here. In this video, we are going to make a Tequila Sunrise. Are you ready to make this drink with me? Let's get started. All right, let's gather our ingredients. Tequila. I have here Paramount Tequila, Blanco, orange juice, grenadine, maraschino cherries, orange. 5 items. Next, let's grab these tools. A shaker, ice, highball glass, a knife, a pour spout, a jigger, and a cocktail pick. Let's start with making our garnish. I am going to cut this orange. We're going to use this pick here to hold our cherry and our orange garnish. And then from here, we'll set this aside. Grab your jigger, pour 3 ounces of orange juice into the shaker. From here, grab your tequila and pour 1.5 ounces into the shaker. Add a little ice, close the lid, and give the drink a quick shake. I'm gonna fill the ice this high. If you actually have a Collins glass in your house that's a little bit smaller, a glass that can fit maybe 10 to 12 ounces of liquids, then that would be the perfect drink to fill all the way to the top for this drink. But for this drink, we are using a highball glass. It's about 16 full ounces. Strain the drink into the glass. What makes this drink a Tequila Sunrise is the grenadine. We will be pouring 1/2 ounce of grenadine into the glass. The last step is to garnish. There you go, friends, a Tequila Sunrise. Cheers.
If you want to learn how to make more cocktail drinks from home, subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss an episode. Comment below if there's a drink you would like to see next.